Hello. Today, we're discussing why some people hesitate to ask for what they need, even when it's completely reasonable. You're at a restaurant. Your order is wrong, but instead of calling the waiter, you just eat it. You have a question in class or a meeting, but you don't raise your hand because someone else probably knows, or maybe it's obvious, and I'll look stupid. You need help. You deserve help, but asking feels like you're bothering people. This isn't politeness. This is social hesitation, and it's rooted in how your brain perceives threat. In this video, I'm breaking down the psychology of why you feel shy or hesitant, what's happening in your brain when you hold back, and how to actually overcome it. Let's get into it. Social hesitation shows up in everyday moments. You don't ask the teacher to repeat something because you're afraid everyone else understood. You don't tell your friend they hurt your feelings because you don't want to make it awkward. You don't negotiate your salary because asking feels greedy. You don't send that email, make that call, or speak up in the group because somewhere deep inside, your brain is screaming, what if they think you're annoying? What if they say no? What if they judge you? And here's what research shows. This isn't about confidence. It's about rejection sensitivity. People with high rejection sensitivity don't hesitate because they lack skills. They hesitate because their brains are hyper-vigilant to social threat. Your brain learned early. Rejection equals danger. So it protects you by making you invisible. Here's the neuroscience. When you're about to ask for something or speak up, your amygdala, your brain's threat detection system, activates. It scans for danger. And in social situations, danger looks like rejection, judgment, embarrassment, being perceived as needy or incompetent. Your brain literally interprets they might say no as they might hurt you. So it triggers your fight or flight response. Your heart races. Your mind concluding all the things. Your throat tightens. And you don't speak. But here's the trap. Research shows that avoidance reinforces the fear. Every time you don't ask, your brain logs it as, see, staying quiet kept you safe. Do that again. So the hesitation gets stronger. The threshold for speaking up gets higher. Think about these moments. Example 1. You're in a coffee shop. They give you the wrong drink. You say thank you and leave with it, even though you paid $6 for something you didn't want. Example 2. You're in a group conversation. Someone says something factually wrong. You know the correct answer, but you don't correct them because what if I'm the one who's wrong and I look stupid? These aren't random. These are your brain protecting you from perceived social threat. So how do you rewire this? Solution 1. Start small. Don't try to give a speech tomorrow. This week, ask one low-stakes question. Ask a barista for a water cup. Ask a stranger what time it is. Raise your hand once in a meeting. Research shows that repeated small exposures reduce amygdala activation by 30% in 8 weeks. Solution 2. Before you ask, complete this sentence. If they say no, the worst that happens is, usually, nothing. They say no. Life continues. Studies show that catastrophizing, imagining the worst, makes hesitation worse. Realistic thinking reduces it. Solution 3. The 5-second rule. When you feel the hesitation, count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then speak. This interrupts the amygdala loop before it fully activates. Research on implementation intention shows that pre-committing to action overrides hesitation. Let me summarize. Social hesitation isn't a personality flaw. It's your amygdala protecting you from perceived threat. Your brain learned rejection equals danger. So it keeps you quiet to keep you safe. The goal isn't to never feel nervous. It's to speak up anyway. If this video helped you understand why you hesitate, hit that subscribe button for more psychology content like this. Drop a like if you recognized yourself in these examples. And comment below, what's one thing you've been too shy to ask for? Let's normalize this. You're not alone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.